I'm Maria, and in this video we are going to be doing kind of a more pastel-y look. It's something very different for me, but I have been wanting this palette for the longest time. The colors in there are gorgeous. Even though they're really not my colors, they really drew me in. And after I saw Mel Thompson's review of the palette, well, she had some not nice things, but they did revamp kind of the formula, and I didn't have any issues with the formula. But I saw hers and I saw the looks that she did, and I was like, I really need to get this palette. I've been waiting for it to come back onto her site, on the Dominique Cosmetics site, but it didn't for a very long time, and it's still sold out. So I went to Sephora. I had a couple of things I had to get. I had to get a couple of Olaplex items to, you know, kind of not ruin my hair. So I went ahead and dropped that in the cart on the way there, and it finally came in this weekend. So I was so excited, and I had to just kind of play with it this morning. So if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get started. Okay, so I do have hair. All right, I do have hair on top. Y'all know, I'm sure you guys know that I had buzzed it, did an undercut. Well, somebody suggested that I just kind of big it. So I tried it, don't like it. So luckily my hair grows really fast. It'll come in a week, so not a big deal. But it now looks like I have no hair, but I do, I have hair. So, all right, we are going to do the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. And I have been looking for this palette for a while. I've been wanting to try it. I know it's been out for a while, and there was like drama and stuff. They had to reformulate some of the things. But the thing is I'd been looking for it and looking for it and looking for it, and I still couldn't find it. I mean, it's not on her site. It's been sold out for a long time, and then Sephora had it, but I don't go to Sephora very often, so I just went ahead and ordered it from Sephora. But we're going into this, sorry, I have my eyes, the base of my eyes, it's not set. Usually this base looks a lot closer to my skin tone, but I have been getting some sun, so it now doesn't. So yeah, we're just going to work with the eyes today. I'm not going to show any part of like the base or the foundation and everything. We're just going to go with the eyes. So like I said, we're going in with Sweet Tea, and we're going to put that on. As the transition. If you don't normally follow me, I tend to put like color and stuff, darker colors as my transition. It's just the way that I am. I like it. I do a lot of bright colors, so I do a lot of different looks. I'm not a normal 40-year-old, let's just say that. I like glitter. I love color. So we're just gonna put Sweet Tea on. We're now gonna go in with Chai Tea. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and then bring it in a little bit. I'm going to use my IBY crease brush. This is the brush that I use for pretty much all like the darker colors, trying to get a little more depth and wanting to kind of pinpoint it, kind of pack the color on. So really, I just pinpoint it here, and then we'll go in with another brush to kind of diffuse everything out. All right, now we're gonna come in with the Worker 1, the Sonia Catnone. Sorry. The Sonia G. Good Lord. What is wrong with me today? The Sonia G. Worker 1. And I'm just going to kind of put it in this crease and bring it out. And that is how I'm going to blend these two colors together. So now that those two colors are laid down, I think I want to come in with 3 shades. Blueberry Fizz, and I'm going to put that on the outer third. And then Cucumber in the middle and Lemon Soda in the inner corner. There we go. I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer. All right, so now let's go into Blueberry Fizz. And I'm going to put that on the outer area. So let me color switch that, and then we're going to go into Cucumber. This is going to be an odd combination, but it will turn out. Cucumber is a little on the stiffer side in the pan, which I wasn't expecting. I probably should have, because I did see Mel Thompson's review on it. So there's those two, and I will blend it out a little more after. I just want to make sure that I get everything kind of situated in the place I want it. Now we're going to go into Lemon Soda. This, I believe, is a shade that, no, it's not the shade that everybody was having issues with. It was a different shade. I don't know. I want that to kind of pack a bigger punch, so maybe I will wet my brush with this one, because I want it. It's not packing much of a punch. And I know these are supposed to be more pastel-y, but I'm not getting the color payoff that I want to get. So I'm going to grab some of that, and then I'm going to wet my brush. Okay. Let's see if that does a little better. A little bit. I almost feel like it needs some kind of sparkle. Okay, now we're gonna just blend everything together. For the brow bone highlight, I'm going to use this ethereal color, and this will go in the inner corner too. So we're gonna do that, but I wanna add some glitter onto this look. So we're gonna use Wish Me Luck from the ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed, and just kind of put that on sparingly, because I don't want it to just like completely coat the eye, but I want to get, I feel like this needs some kind of something just to draw it into the eye. See, I like that. It looks better on with me looking at it here than it does in the monitor, but I like that. So I'm gonna wait for this one to dry. In the meantime, I am going to put the brow bone highlight on, and we'll go from there. Okay, yeah, that glitter gave it the little punch that I wanted. So I think to kind of keep this look more, less kind of in your face and more ethereal looking, I am not gonna do any lashes or a liner, which is very odd for me. I'm just going to be using some mascara. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then we'll do the lower lash line. All right, let us finish up these eyes. So usually I do the same thing on top as I do on bottom, but I think what I wanna do today is take the dark Tai Chi on the outer third, and then go in with strawberry and blend it out with mango. So I'm going to grab this little pencil brush. Well, it's not little. This pencil brush, and I'm gonna go in with chai tea and put that on the outer third. So since I don't have any like glue to hold on the glitters, the shimmers, I'm going to just wet my brush real quick. And then I'm going to go into strawberry. And put that on the lower 2/3 of the lash line. All right, so that is that right there. And then what I'm going to do is first put that away. I'm going to take this Luxie brush. Okay, there it is. It's a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. And I'm going to take mango and buff out the lower lash line. I don't want too much color. I just want like a wash of color, like that. All right, so off camera, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the waterline and my mascara on the lower lash line, and then I will come back and we can finish off the rest of the face. Okay, we have zoomed out and you can actually see that I do have hair. I put the mascara on my lower lash line. I also put I used NYX Faux White eyeliner in my waterline in Seashell. I actually like these faux whites because you have like just a hint of the color that you're wanting, because I wanted to pull out the pink a little bit in the lower lash line. So and then I did add the ethereal in the Spotlight palette on my inner corner, because I don't ever not do an inner corner highlight. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just warm up the face, which I really don't have to because I actually have my correct foundation and I am tan as hell right now. But we're just gonna give it a little kiss. And after that, let's put setting spray on. This is the Ofra makeup fixer, which I really like. But that being said, it has a very aggressive spray. All right, so let's put some highlighter on. I just bought this Natasha Denona Super Glow. It is in the shade 02 Light Medium Beige. I thought I got a 1 and I was about to freak out because, no. This one, I probably should have went a little bit darker. I'm still under the impression that I'm lighter than I normally am because I am so freaking tanned right now. I need to stop tanning. All right, so we're just gonna put this on. Ooh, okay. I am using the Juvia's Place blending brush. This is their highlighting brush. I absolutely love it for highlighting. Ignore the hair dye. Usually it hides really well with hair, but since my hair is shaved, my head is like bicked, I can't hide it very well. I'm then gonna go in with Frenchie and line my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Matte Lip in Skyfall. This is ColourPop. So is the lip liner. All right, we're gonna let that dry a little bit, and then we're going to add this Ultra Glossy Lip in Scorcher. Anything that has glitter, I am all about. I always wipe off my brushes because I don't want to contaminate the gloss since I use all kinds of lipsticks, different colors. Okay, so there is the gloss, and let's take this hair down so it would feel like I actually have hair. All right, here's the finished look. I actually like it. Usually I don't go for like colors like this. I like bright in your face pops of color, but I actually really like the way that this turned out. I love the glitter. I just like how it just kind of brings everything together. So yeah, I'm really enjoying that. So if you like this look, comment down below comment down below how you are liking this look. Also, if you want me to keep the kind of clean shaven head, honestly, I can tell you right now I'm not really liking it, but it may grow on me. I don't know. I'm gonna have hair is gonna come in I will start growing hair in like probably a week, less than a week. So I am not too concerned about it. Yeah, let me know how you like it. So if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more like this or also follow me on my weight loss journey, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. See you later.